Pleasant morning, students. I welcome you all for your online class for grade 10 mathematics session. Hope you all were fine and good, and I also hope that you all were safe at your home also. Okay, be safe and be happy. Anyway, once again I welcome you all for the online class. Okay. So as you all were learning the basic things nowadays during this online classes, today in mathematics you are going to learn about the basic things of the trigonometry. Since you know the word trigonometry, this is not new for you. Once we say trigonometry itself means some formulas will come to your mind, isn't that? The basic formulas. So by trigonometry itself means nothing but what is that? Yeah, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and cot theta. So you might get something. So sin theta itself means, since childhood we were learning what is sin theta means. There is a formula. So trigonometric itself means you will consider what? You will consider a triangle, isn't that? Whether that would be a right angle or any triangle. So in triangle there would be how many sides? Yeah, 1, 2, 3 sides. The biggest side would be called as hypotenuse, and also hypotenuse means there is a simple common thing. So what is it? It will be the opposite of the right angle triangle also, isn't that ma? So this would be hypotenuse. Then the hypotenuse exactly opposite would be the opposite side. Okay. So consider a triangle. In triangle there would be 3 sides, and the higher side will be called as hypotenuse, otherwise it is opposite to the right angle, and the remaining is opposite side and adjacent side, isn't that ma? So once you heard the word sin theta means, what's the formula for sin theta? Yeah, sin theta means nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so sin theta means what? Sin theta means nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta means, yeah, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So that, so sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. Then cos theta means adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Now tan theta means, you all know a common formula for tan theta. What's that? That is sin divided by cos. Okay, so sin divided by cos means what you will get? Yeah, so opposite side divided by, yeah, hypotenuse, the whole divided by adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Isn't that ma? So what you might be getting? Yeah, so which is equal to, yeah, opposite side divided by hypotenuse, the whole divided by, you have one more division means, yeah, the division will change into multiplication, and we have to write the reciprocal. So reciprocal means hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, isn't that? So check whether you can cancel any 2 things. So here what will get cancelled? Yeah, hypotenuse, hypotenuse. So what you will get? Okay, so sin means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan means opposite by adjacent. If you know this 3, the remaining 3 would be easy. So cosecant means, yeah, we have a common formula. What is that? That is 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta means, so 1 divided by, we have sin. What is that? Yeah, opposite by hypotenuse. So which is equal to 1. Again division will change into multiplication and the reciprocal, that is hypotenuse divided by opposite. So what you will get? Just the reciprocal of sin theta, isn't that? Now secant theta means 1 divided by cos theta, which is equal to, you will get the reciprocal of cos theta. What is reciprocal? That is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Okay. Now tan means what? Sorry, cot means what you will get? 1 by tan theta. So which is equal to the reciprocal, that is adjacent side divided by. Okay, these 6 were the basic thing we will use in trigonometry. Okay, so once you hear the word trigonometry itself, means the 6 formulas have to come in your mind. That is sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. So sin theta means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta means adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta means opposite by adjacent. Cosecant means hypotenuse by opposite. Secant means hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Cot theta means adjacent side divided by opposite side. These 6 were the basic. Okay. Now once you get the positive means, there would be definitely what also? There would be the negative side also. The negative side in mathematics we will say it as what? We will say it as complementary. Basically in trigonometry the angle will comes from 0 degree less than 90 degree, which means the angle values will be between 0 to 90 degree. Okay, so complementary means, so I said there is a positive means there would be a negative also, isn't that? So complementary means nothing but you have sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant and cot, isn't that ma? So sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant and cot. Complement means nothing but 90 minus your theta value, the highest value minus the theta value that we were choosing. So cos means also 90 minus theta, same. Sin 90 minus theta means nothing but sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, now cos 90 minus theta means sin theta. Okay, now tan would be opposite of what value? Here tan we choose for cot, isn't that? So tan 90 minus theta means cot theta. Now cosecant means secant theta, secant means cosecant theta, cot theta means tan theta. Okay, this is next. Okay, so now as a basic this would be useful in your problems. Okay, so basic is the 6. From this 6 we are finding what? Complementary. Complementary means plus means there would be minus, isn't that ma'am? So as you know the angle value between 0 and 90 degree, complementary means from highest minus the angle value. Okay, so sin and cos, cosec and secant, tan and cot. Okay, so as basic there would be a complementary. Okay, now since you all know trigonometry means there would be what? There would be angle values, isn't that ma'am? So there would be angle values, yes or no? So we know that the angle value is between 0 less than theta less than 90 degree, isn't that ma'am? As for your easiness, okay, without memorizing how to form an angle chart, okay, use your 5 fingers. Okay, since we have 5 fingers, isn't that ma? So use your 5 fingers to form the angle chart value. Okay, use your 5 fingers to form the angle chart value. Okay, since you know the angle value starts from 0 degree, isn't that? So take your 5 finger. There would be only 5 angles. Okay, so first would be, okay, your 5 finger, maybe this time or this time, anything, but this would be easy while writing. Okay, so take this. Now what? So starts from. So since we have 5 fingers, some may have 6 fingers, so common there would be 5 fingers only, isn't that ma? Your thumb finger, your index, your middle, a ring, and small finger or little finger, isn't that? Take your thumb finger as 0 degree. Okay, and the final value is what? 90 degree. Isn't that ma? Remaining there are 3. That would be 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree. Okay, so now you are going to learn how to form the angle chart. Okay, so since sine, isn't that ma? Cos, then tan, cosine, secant, and finally okay, we choose 6 angles, isn't that? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, so first, if you find sine theta, the remaining we can write it easily. Okay, anyway, let's see. So first, we were going to learn how to find a sine angle, isn't that? Very simple, ma. Remember this. That is square root of, okay, square root of a finger below divided by 2. Okay, now listen to me. Just by memorizing, this would be easy. Memorizing will collapse you. Okay, learn by this method. You can do anything, any formula, fine. For all these 6, any value we can do that. Okay, so let's find out for sine 0 degree. Isn't that? First 0 degree. So whatever the angle value you were finding, the finger you choose for that angle value, just fold that. Okay, remaining let it be. So first 0 degree, isn't that? So 0 degree fold up. The formula is what? Finger below square root of divided by 2. Whatever the finger you fold up, okay, below that count it. Okay, from the fold up finger for the respective angle, from the fold up finger you have to find out. Okay, so here divided by or below, is there any finger is there? No, isn't that? So what you will get? That is 0 divided by 2. So 0 divided by 2 means what you will get? Yes? Now, next 30 degrees, isn't that? Fold the 30 degree. Now come to your formula. What is that? Yeah, your finger below divided by 2. How many fingers are below there? That is 1 divided by 2. Okay. Next, 45 degrees. So, yeah, middle finger. Now, square root of, What is a finger below? How many fingers are there? 2 divided by 2. Okay. Now you can simplify this. Square root of divided by 2 means, that is square root of 2 divided by 2 means how we can write? Yeah, square root of 2 into square root of 2. So what you will get? 1 divided by. Without a simplification also no problem, but since they were following the simplified value, you use the simplification. Okay. Now, so 45 degrees. Now which one? Yeah, 60 degree. Yeah, ring finger, isn't that, ma'am? So square root of, how many fingers are below? Yeah, 3 divided by 2. Now 90 degree means, yeah, square root of, how many fingers below? 4 divided by 2. So square root of 4 means how we can write? Square root of 2 into 2. So inside the square root, if both the values are same means which is equal to 2. Isn't that, ma'am? So 2 divided by 2 which is equal to 1. Hope it might be getting very simple. Okay. So hope it might be getting very simple, isn't that? This is for sin theta. Okay. Now next step is what? Cos theta. So since you use the below finger for sin theta, so cos theta means, yeah, finger above divided by 2. Okay, finger above divided by 2. So first, what's the first angle is? 0 degree. Isn't that, Maya? First angle is 0 degree. So fold up. Now your formula is what? Finger above, isn't that? How many fingers are there? So square root of 4 divided by 2. So square root of 4 divided by 2 means which is equal to 1. Now 30 degree. So 30 degree means from the fold up finger. Finger above. So how many fingers are above there? Yeah, square root of 3 divided by 2. Now 45 degree means fold the middle finger. 45 degree means, so finger above. How many are there? Yeah, square root of 2 divided by 2 which is equal to, we already know, that is 1 divided by. Now 60 degree means, yeah, fold the 60. So how many fingers are above there? That is square root of 1 divided by 2. So square root of 1 means 1 by 2. Now finally 90 degree. Above how many fingers are there? Nothing is there. That is 0 divided by 2 square root of, which is equal to, isn't that, ma? So if you know this 2, remaining would be easy. Since we have the formulas, isn't that? That is tan means sin divided by cos. So sin divided by cos means, so 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 means 0. Isn't that? 0 divided by 1 means 0. Now, so then 30 degree. Yeah. 1 by 2 divided by another fraction. So division will change into multiplication and the reciprocal. 2 get cancelled. Now 1 divided by, now 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Now square root of 3 by 2 into divided by 1 by 2. So it will go to the reciprocal, isn't that? So what you will get here? Square root of 3. Now 1 by 0. Divided by 0, it is not defined, isn't that? So undefined. Yeah. Now cosecant theta means you know that what is 1 by sine, isn't that? So 1 by sine. So 1 by 0 means yeah, undefined. The next would be easy. Okay. And then 1 divided by sine means everything, the reciprocal we have to write. 1 divided by sine values means, isn't that? So write. So here 2 square root of 2, the reciprocal means 2 divided by square root of 3, 1. Yes. Now secant theta means 1 divided by, secant theta means 1 divided by cos theta, isn't that? So 1 divided by cos theta, 1 by 1, 1. Now here, yeah, 2 by root 3, square root of 2, then 2, what is 1 by 0 means 1 by 0 undefined. Finally cot theta means yeah, 1 by tan value. So 1 by 0 undefined. Now yeah, root 3, 1 by root 3, isn't there? So already it is undefined means we don't know that, isn't that? We don't know means okay. So basically if you know the sine value means another one simple logic means if you find out the sine value, look at cos value, it will come from the reverse manner. So tan means just divide both value, isn't that? Now cosecant means reciprocal of sine, secant means just the one from the last, good, like this. Okay. And cot theta means just divide. Okay. So if you know this two logic and if you know your finger, is anoma, two logic with this finger value, we can form the table. This would be easy, but just by memorizing, this would be very easy and simple. Practice it on your own. Okay. If you practice it on your own means it will help you a lot. Okay. So since we learned the basic things of trigonometry today, okay, just memorize this formula or find out some shortcut method to memorize this formula on your way. Okay. So basic formula, complementary angle, and form the trigonometric table using your wonderful finger. How to form the trigonometric table also practice it. Okay ma, and I'll send the worksheet through the WhatsApp. You just practice this. Okay, meet you on the next class. Thank you.